Are you tired of generic chatbots that can't hold a conversation? Look no further. With Chat GPT, you can unlock the power of advanced AI that makes conversations feel natural. Chat GPT is built on OpenAI's cutting-edge technology that's capable of understanding language like a human. That means it can understand nuances, metaphors, and even sarcasm. With Chat GPT, you can build chatbots that can handle any kind of conversation. From simple Q&A bots to more complex use cases like customer support and sales. And the best part? Chat GPT is easy to use. You don't need any coding experience to get started. Just select a pre-built template and customize it to your needs. Plus, Chat GPT is highly scalable. It can handle millions of users without breaking a sweat. And if you need to make changes to your chatbot, you can do it in real time. So what are you waiting for? Unlock the power of Chat GPT and take your conversations to the next level. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more great content.